Hi guys, this is my Pokeworld, and we are going to open Galarian Sowing Rain's Legendary Birds. Okay, we're opening my favorite one first. Sowing Rain's Zapdos Galarian form. And the Sowing Rain's Zapdos, guess what it can do? Only run. It doesn't even fly. And it's still an electric type, but looks like a fire type. So let's open it up. I know what you are thinking. Why isn't Daddy here? Why do we not hear him? Why do we not see him? Because he told me to be alone and not calling him. Okay, guys? So don't worry, Daddy is still alive. Electric energy. Crab boom. Trainer Melanie bounce sweet. Oh, finally! The rare and only Kubufu. But he's not a rare. He's not the rare. Link. Okay, Diglett. Score money. Golett. That's Tricka. Okay, so we are going to open the big easy BZ. Okay, easy BZ. Get it? We are opening the easy one. That's just me pushing the south. Okay. Three. No, let's have to say 3 2 times. And I'm not telling you this, but there's a word called, what's up with you, stupid, in Spanish, but I'm not talking to you. That is just a word like that in Spanish. Okay? So, don't get off of the video. Okay, my favorite Zapdos. His speed is electric, actually. That's why he's still an electric type. He's not actually running, he's like zapping. Okay, water energy. Wacky. Trainer. Fog. Crystal. Heartream. Porygon. Swirlix. Sneasel. Snover. Blitzel. Flabby. Flashy. And the rare and only, Theros. And that's easy. Ultra rare. Let's open these first, actually. Actually, all of the big ones. Wait, how about we open all of these things and then make a pile of packs. One of the packs just slide from on my knees into the trash can, but good thing I got it out. Now it's not freedom. One, two, three! The ultra rare Snorlax. Nope, that's just a trash pack. It's like this. What's up with you, stupid? But I'm not saying it to you. I'm just talking to me. Sorry, guys. But don't like off this video. And still, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at this much packs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 starting. So we stack the same kind, starting with the the mold trace. Okay, the mold trace. Now this guy, done. Okay, now the Galarian of that guy, and the Galarian Zapdos, and the Galarian Articuno. Now let's start with one of these ones. I love ice, so I'm going to do this. That one is the Psychic and Ice. This one is just ice. Steel Energy, Trainer, Lindian, Diglett, Larvestay, Inkay, Roof, Ghastly, Snorunt, and the rare is Abomasnow. A grass type. Never heard of a ice type that's a grass type. That's always new. Okay, guys, don't worry about it. Psychic and Ice. And Psychic and Flying. Anywhere you live, don't like off of this video.
Just gonna come in and check on us, see how we're doing.
I was just looking at my poster because I love Pokemon. Okay, guys. Maybe I was looking at the crack because I heard data. I heard someone. And that was data. Okay, Water Energy. Raboot. Trainer, what?
Agatha.
Trainer, Agatha. Traeger, what? Don't say Rapid Strike or Rapid Strike.
Scroll of Skies.
Trainer, Scroll of Skies. Clobopus. That's your favorite fighting type, right? Excuse me, guys. Okay. Mareep, like Marsteep. Get it? Mareep. Get it? EEP is after the part, right? Data?
Right.
Seep. Eat. Okay. Rouse. Oh my. The water one. We don't have the water one yet, Data. The water cast farm.
That's right, task form.
Rain form. rain form. Did you guys hear that snoring? That is Pixel on my bed. Dad, look, we finally got him!
Awesome.
Okay, Snover. Oh my. Quillfish. Is that a real fish name?
I think it is too. That's
what?
Cool.
I never heard of a Pokemon named like a normal fish in the world of normal people. Quillfish. This guy again,
That is Zebstrika. Like a zebra, but Zebstrika.
Yeah. Is there another rare? Is there? Is there?
I didn't see one in there. There was, just the Zebstrika.
We haven't had a double pack with double rares. Okay, Dada. I love you. Dada. I don't know why they keep falling. Okay, Grass Energy. The first Pokemon is Grass type. And this Kakuna looks like it's about to hatch.
I'm going to open up one of these.
Okay, and this Kakuna looks like it's about to hatch into a... what are those Pokemon that are like giant bees with their hands are like stingers? Sting, sting.
You're gonna like this one.
Sting. I love Hunter.
Look at that, guys.
And I just got a Ghastly.
That's cool.
On one of them. Kakuna, Trainer, Sneasel, Snover. Little. Ghastly, Dada, Ghastly! I got another Ghastly.
Cool.
Look, Dada. We just need a Gengar. This isn't the rare, Dada. Okay?
Okay.
Ghastly. Goldberg!
Oh, that's cool.
The rare is so scary. It's like a ghost! Okay, guys. It's like a ghost! Boom! Go sneak behind.
Who is it?
And they scare you. And then go in your body
Bomb.
and eat your souls. That's the only thing they eat. A Metagross B. We finally got another B. Double rares. And the star is so shiny. Oh, there. That's amazing.
Nice, man. I'm gonna step out again, alright? You guys have a good one.
Yeah,
Bye, guys.
Dada, have a good day. I love Pokemon so much. Hi, Pixel. Pixel is just staring at me. Don't worry. Okay. Water energy. Lefty. Fluffy. Trainer. Hunter. Snoroof. Weedle. Cast form, but the normal cast form. Quillfish. Ralts. Dada! The Galarian Zapdos V!
Whoa!
I knew it! I felt the rare!
Put it in here quick. My hands are wet.
What?
There you go.
That's amazing! That's amazing, right, guys? Our first time getting a Galarian one. Amazing! See, guys? There has to be one in this pack, right, Dada?
Right.
That was our first time getting one. Dark energy. I don't know this one, but it starts as Inkay and it's not psychic. And it's not shiny. Okay, correct. Energy. Porygon 2, my favorite Porygon. Wacky, our favorite Dada. Mareep again. Heracross, Clobopus, Grookey, Sneasel. If all of these normal Pokemon were Grookey in this bag, that would be so hilarious, right, Dada? Right, guys? Scroll down below and say hashtag Grookey in whole pack. But not the rare group. But don't give me like a rare. Okay, give me a Grookey, like a baby shiny Grookey. Okay, don't lie. I mean, Sneasel. What is this? Trainer. Wait. Galarian. Trainer Galarian. Plate. I don't know what it is. But we do have the rare. November. Rapid Strike. That's amazing, guys, right, Dada?
Where did you put that Zapdos?
Nana, why are you putting in there?
This is an alternate pool art, and they want to make sure it stays nice and safe, guys.
Yeah, let's put it in one.
This is one of the, I guess, what they call the chase cards in this set. Oh, well, let's leave it on here. We'll put it up there later,
let's
okay?
put it in one of those hard. One of.
Oh, you want to get it
those.
graded?
Yeah, I want that Zapdos card graded and give it to one of my friends that makes a video. And on his birthday, I gave him Pokemon card box of spray. Okay, keep a
Two more
secret.
packs. Oh, wow.
Keep a secret with me, Daddy, and you. Okay, guys?
Do you want to keep the fire going, buddy?
What?
You want to keep the fire going?
Yeah, that's
Well,
going. That's.
How about this then? You want to open up all these?
No. Not yet. Fighting type energy. Trainer Fog Crystal. Trainer Fellow. What is it?
Celio?
Cilio. Oh, this so Sobble looks like it's trying to meditate. Right, guys? But the water is hitting it all a lot, right? And that Sobble is trying to meditate, but the water keeps hitting it in the back. And I think that's hot water. Water doesn't like hot. But good thing water isn't weak against fire. Bouncewit. Diglett. Larvesta. Golurk! Oh my. And the Warrior. Oh my Nana. Two rares. We have a Golurk and this guy.
Oh, Walrein.
Walrein. I can't believe it, guys. We got two again. Okay? Fighting energy. The last pack we're opening right now. Ooh. This is like opening a granola bar pack or peanut butter crackers. Right, Dada?
Right.
It's like that, but with cards inside it.
Good.
Oh, this is a trainer card that I mean a trainer, someone in the game that I love seeing this guy play all games. And his name is Zebra. And guess what? He's a gamer. And he once played the game Galarian Pokemon. Maybe they live in the snowy place and made these cards. The people that lived in the snowy place maybe built these kind of cards that I'm opening. Okay, psychic type energy. Oh my!
That's cool, Drizzle.
He's so cool. His name is Drizzle. Drizzile. 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 That's his name. Drizzile. Trainer. Pony. I don't know why his name is Pony. Trainer. Cantolia. Ghastly. Coughing. Bird. Galarian Farfetch'd. Oh my. Porygon. Trainer. Oh my. The rare. Persimmon. That's amazing. So all of the packs that we are opening right now, and that's a lot of cards. And
Yeah, dude.
I'm going to count how many cards rares there are. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's nine rares, and that's a lot. And bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.